Ways to maintain your car paint. The first one is washing your car correctly. What I mean by wash your car correctly is that it is not all type of detergents that should be used to wash your car paints, because the detergent is foaming or the soap is being used to wash clothes does not mean it's meant for car. That is why some people will paint their car within a year. The paints are washed off already. There are some soap and detergents mainly assigned to do car wash. If your car wash is not using them, request for it. You can buy it, put it in your boot. Whenever you visit any car wash, tell them to use this for you. Because the layer between the car paint and the car body is very tiny, that if you are using the wrong detergent, over time, it will fade. That's some people will paint their car after like 8 months. The paint will start fading off. They'll be like, the painter used the wrong kind of paint for them. No, it is you that is spoiling it with the wrong detergent. So please take note. The second one, avoid scratches. It's related to the first one. The thing is, whenever you want to wash your car, or you are the car wash to wash your car, always make sure that whichever sponge or clothes will be used to wash your car, make sure it is properly rinsed off, because there might be sands from the previous car they washed still left on that sponge, and they'll just dip it inside soap and next thing they're using to wash your car. If there are still sands there with stones, it will easily scratch your car paint. That is why you take your car neatly to some car wash. Once you're about to leave the place and the whole car is dry, you start seeing scratches you've never seen before you took it there. You'll be taking it as example, maybe some children where you parked use their hands to wipe your car. No, it's actually sand in that sponge that is making scratches on your car. So please take note. It can be at home, it can be at the car wash. Always take note. Wash that sponge properly. The third one is park under shades or use car covers. Imagine say you yourself as a human being, you stand for that sun for straight 1 hour. You don't even know where your body go dey. Then imagine that amount of heat on a car for hours. Just try as much as possible. If you are not parked under shades, try to use car cover. It will prevent your car paint on the long run. This sun is too much for that car. The sun here is too much. I cannot talk of outside the country, but as far as Nigeria is concerned, the sun here is too much. Try to use car shades or car cover, especially if you're even at home safe. You don't have somewhere to go. Please do that. The fourth one, give car wrapping a chance. Most people don't even know that car wrapping exists, and some feel their cars are too cheap to be wrapped. No, wrap your car. There's no scratch that is coming that car wrap will not prevent. And if you are going to remove that wrap from your car, it won't have any dents on your car original paint. If you are using the right set of people, not a roadside car wrapper, people that are professional in it, do you understand? Give car wrapping a chance. It will prevent that heat from fading your car, to prevent scratches from car wash, it prevent all those soap issue. Give car wrapping a chance. So before we move to the last one, don't forget I sell clean, reliable, and affordable cars. And if you'd like to see more videos like this concerning car tips, follow, share, like, and comment. So the last one is avoid parking under the tree. All those branches that fall off, bed droppings, and so on and so forth can cause dents and damages on your car paint. So please try and avoid it.